Blitz is evolving. Blitz is my run child. So yeah, let me set down the camera on its stand, and I'll show you guys how it's evolving. And I also forgot to show the camera, but my Run Hero Chow evolved. Yeah, it didn't turn out very well. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Bye.